Welcome back to our channel, Aspiring Business Analysts. Today, we have an exciting video in store for you. We'll discuss the 10 core skills that every business analyst should acquire to succeed in their career. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your skill set, this video will guide you on the path to becoming an exceptional business analyst. Communication skills. Effective communication is the foundation of success for any business analyst. You must be able to articulate complex ideas clearly and concisely to stakeholders and team members. This includes active listening, presentation skills, and the ability to adapt your communication style to different audiences. Data analysis. As a business analyst, you'll be dealing with large datasets regularly. Mastering data analysis techniques, such as using Excel, SQL, or data visualization tools, will enable you to uncover valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. Business acumen. Understanding the intricacies of the industry and the specific business you work with is crucial. Developing strong business acumen will help you align your analyses with the company's goals and identify opportunities for improvement. Problem solving. Business analysts encounter various challenges daily. Cultivating problem-solving skills allows you to approach issues analytically, break them down into manageable components, and devise effective solutions. Critical thinking. Critical thinking goes hand in hand with problem solving. It involves evaluating information objectively, questioning assumptions, and making well-reasoned judgments, leading to more insightful analyses. Requirements gathering. As a liaison between stakeholders and the development team, you'll need to excel in requirements gathering. This skill involves eliciting, analyzing, and documenting requirements accurately, ensuring projects meet stakeholders' needs. Process modeling. Process modeling, like flowcharts and diagrams, helps visually represent business processes. Mastering this skill allows you to identify inefficiencies and propose process improvements. Collaboration and teamwork. Business analysts often work with cross-functional teams. Being an effective team player, fostering collaboration, and managing conflicts constructively is vital for project success. Technology proficiency. Embrace technology. Familiarize yourself with the latest business analysis tools and software that streamline your work processes, making you more efficient and capable of handling complex tasks. Adaptability and continuous learning. The business landscape evolves rapidly. Being adaptable and committed to continuous learning enables you to stay ahead of industry trends, refine your skills, and grow as a business analyst. There you have it, the 10 core skills every business analyst should acquire to succeed in their career. Remember, becoming an outstanding business analyst is a journey that requires dedication, practice, and a passion for learning. Work on honing these skills, and you'll be well on your way to excelling in the dynamic world of business analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.